Understanding pipe burst. A simple breakdown. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase pipe burst in English. It's a common phrase that you might come across in various contexts, so it's beneficial to understand its implications. First, let's break down the two words. Pipe, a long, hollow cylinder used to convey water, gas, or other fluids. Burst, suddenly break open or apart, especially because of pressure from inside. When we combine these words, pipe burst literally refers to a situation where a pipe has broken open suddenly, usually due to excessive internal pressure. This could lead to water or any other fluid inside the pipe spilling or gushing out. While the phrase has a literal meaning, it is often used in various scenarios. 1. Home and maintenance. If someone says, "We had a pipe burst in our basement," they mean a pipe in their home broke open, possibly causing water damage. 2. News and weather reports. In extremely cold conditions, you might hear, "Residents are advised to keep their faucets dripping to prevent pipe bursts." This is a recommendation to avoid pipes freezing and bursting. 3. Metaphorical usage. Sometimes, the phrase can be used metaphorically to describe a sudden and unexpected event. Just like how a pipe can unexpectedly break open. Let's look at a few example sentences to understand its usage. 1. After the cold snap, many homes in the town had pipe bursts. Here, the sentence is talking about multiple homes experiencing broken pipes due to cold weather. 2. The construction workers accidentally caused a pipe burst, flooding the entire site. In this scenario, the pipe burst was due to human error during construction work. 3. When he heard the shocking news, it felt like a pipe burst in his heart. This is a metaphorical use, implying that the news had a sudden and profound impact on the person. And there you have it. Now you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, pipe burst, in English. Remember, language is as much about context as it is about definitions. Hopefully, this video helps you grasp this phrase's essence and use it confidently in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!